Hello crypto ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the biggest threat to your dollar savings, the US national debt. And no, this isn't fearmongering. This is math. And by the end, you'll see why Bitcoin and crypto are your escape hatch. First, what is the US national debt? It's the total amount the federal government owes every dollar borrowed to cover deficits when spending exceeds tax revenue. Think of it as the nation's credit card balance, and it's maxed out. In September 2020, it stood at $26.9 trillion. By September 2024, it hit $35.5 trillion. And today, November 4, 2025, just 35 days into the new fiscal year, it's already $38.2 trillion. That's an $11.3 trillion surge in just 5 years. Now let's talk daily increases, because this is where it gets insane. From 2020 to 2024, the debt grew by an average of $5.83 billion per calendar day. But in 2025 alone, from January 1st to today, $6.85 billion per day, $1.02 billion more than the prior 4-year average. That's $79,000 every second. Why is it increasing yearly? Simple, deficits. The government spends $1.8 to $2.5 trillion more than it collects in taxes every year. In 2025, interest payments alone are $1.2 trillion, more than the entire defense budget. So what happens next? The dollar gets devalued slowly, then suddenly. Every new dollar printed to pay debt dilutes your savings. At this pace, $2.5 trillion added per year, the purchasing power of the USD drops 5 to 7% annually just from debt monetization. Inflation? That's the symptom. Devaluation is the disease. But here's the good news, cryptocurrencies are outside this system. Bitcoin has a fixed supply, 21 million. No central bank. No debt ceiling. No printing press. While the dollar loses value daily, Bitcoin compounds scarcity. From 2020 to now, the debt rose 42%. Bitcoin? Up over 600%. That's not luck. That's math versus politics. Crypto isn't just an investment, it's financial sovereignty. A hedge against a system that cannot stop borrowing. So if you're holding cash, ask yourself, do you trust a currency backed by $38 trillion in IOUs? Or one backed by code, consensus, and scarcity? The clock is ticking. The debt won't stop. But you can. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next move in this financial revolution. See you in the next video.